In today's video, we're going to go through step-by-step how to create an order confirmation automation with GoHighLevel. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever sold something online and wondered how to automatically confirm orders, send updates, and keep customers informed without manual follow-ups, this video is for you. This is really important because order confirmation is one of the most important touch points in e-commerce. It sets expectations, builds trust, and supports issues before they even happen. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to structure a clean and simple order confirmation automation inside GoHighLevel and how all the pieces connect. Let's get into it. So if you aren't familiar with what GoHighLevel is, it's an all-in-one platform that combines CRM automations, email, SMS, funnels, payments, customer tracking, all into one system. For e-commerce and digital product sellers, GoHighLevel can handle everything from checkout to post-purchase communication. When someone places an order in GoHighLevel, that action can trigger automations. These automations can send confirmation emails, SMS messages, tracking links, and follow-up notifications without you having to manually do anything. What we're focusing on in this video is the post-purchase experience. That means what happens after somebody buys, how they get confirmation, how they receive updates, and how to keep communication clear and professional. This is not about building a store from scratch or creating products. This is about what happens once the sale is already made and how to automate that process in a way that feels organized and simple. Before we build anything, it really helps to understand the main components involved in a GoHighLevel order confirmation automation. At its core is the trigger, which is the action that starts everything. So in this case, the trigger is an order or payment event. Once that happens, GoHighLevel knows a customer has completed a purchase. Next is the email confirmation, which sends the customer written proof of their order. This usually includes order details, what they purchased, and what to expect next. Then there's even SMS confirmation, which provides a short, immediate message letting the customer know their order went through. This is especially helpful for quick reassurance and higher open rates. Another key piece is tracking or access links. For physical products, this might be shipping or tracking information. For digital products or services, this could just be access links, onboarding steps, or next actions. And finally, everything is tied together through automation logic, which controls timing, message order, and conditions so customers receive the right message at the right time. Instead of thinking about these as separate tools, it helps to see them as one connected flow. Now I want to talk about how order confirmation automations actually works conceptually, and then we're going to hop into GoHighLevel. So when someone completes a purchase, there's a brief moment where trust is highest and uncertainty can also creep in. Customers want to know their payment went through and what happens next. Order confirmation automations are designed to close that gap. GoHighLevel listens for the purchase event and then immediately sends confirmation messages through the channels that you choose. Email provides detail, SMS provides speed. Tracking or access links provide clarity. When done well, this reduces support tickets, prevents confusion, and improves the overall customer experience without adding more work for you. The goal is to not overwhelm the customer with messages. The goal is to confirm, reassure, and guide them. Okay, now how to create this automation in GoHighLevel. What you want to do first is use our link down below to get access to an extended 30-day free trial. Once you click that link, all you'll do is go ahead and click start an extended free trial. New company name, full name, email address, and phone number. With step 2, you do have to put your credit card information in, but you will not be charged until that 30-day trial is up. So if you're still deciding if this is the workflow for you, just set a reminder or an email notification on day 28 or 29. Okay, now once you are logged in, this is the navigation bar over here. So we've got the dashboard, and this basically tells you where everything is. So you've got the opportunity status, opportunity value, funnel, any outstanding tasks, manual actions, Google Analytics, and so much more. You've also got things over here like conversation. So every conversation between Facebook, WhatsApp can be in one place. We've got calendars, all of your contacts, your opportunities, which is basically kind of like your CRM. So you can have different pipelines for different things. So if you have a pipeline, you can maybe put where they have purchased. We've also got payments and things like that. That's where you would go ahead and add a product product. Then we've got things like AI agents, marketing, automation, sites like funnels and websites and everything in between, memberships, and more. So we're going to navigate to the workflow. So you can go ahead and build it from scratch, which you can do that. That's fine. But I always recommend starting with AI, and that's because you can have it build something, and if you need to adjust anything, you can go ahead and adjust it from there. It just helps from not starting at a blank screen. So build an order confirmation. We want the trigger to be a successful purchase. Then we want an email and SMS confirmation with order number and or shipping tracking links. Let's make the email immediate and the SMS waiting period about 5 minutes. Okay, now we'll go ahead and let the AI do its thing. Okay, so now here we go. We've got the order submitted. What you'd want to select is what the actual product is. So here we already have a product in here, which is the daily planner digital download. So you can do that, or if it was something that actually needed to be shipped, that would need to be set up. Then we've got our email confirmation right here. So it says, dear contact, thank you for your recent purchase. We're pleased to confirm your order with the order number. It would enter in the order customer ID. So GoHighLevel would actually create this in the product section. Okay. Then wait 5 minutes and then send the SMS confirmation. So your order is blank and it's confirmed. Thank you for shopping with us. Of course, you can customize this to be whatever it is that you want, but I just wanted to show how simple it is to actually create this automation. So as soon as somebody has an actual order submitted, you don't have to do anything. It will automatically create this process, send email confirmations, text confirmations, so you don't have to worry about anything. I highly recommend testing to make sure that this workflow actually works. All you have to do is click test workflow, and then as soon as that is confirmed, you can click publish. Make sure that you go ahead and update the name so nothing gets confused, because if you're using GoHighLevel, you're probably using a ton of automations. Now I wanted to touch on some email confirmation best practices. So email confirmations are where you can provide the most clarity. A good order confirmation email clearly states that the order was received, what was purchased, and what happens next. It should feel very informative, and not promotional. Customers should be able to scan the email and immediately understand their order status. This reduces follow-up questions and builds confidence in your brand. You also don't need long explanations. Clear language and structure matters so much more than length. Now for SMS confirmation best practices. SMS confirmations work best when they're straight and to the point. The purpose of SMS is reassurance, not details. Let the customer know that the order went through and reference where they can find more information if needed. Because SMS is more immediate, timing does matter. Sending it shortly after the purchase can help reinforce trust and reduce uncertainty. Next is to avoid sending too many texts. One confirmation message is usually enough at that stage. Now I want to talk about why automation matters. Manually sending confirmations is not scalable. As orders increase, so does the chance for mistakes. Automations ensure every customer gets the same clear communication every single time. This consistency is going to improve trust and reduce stress for both you and your customers. It's also going to free up your time. Once the automation is built, it's just going to run in the background without this constant oversight. I wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options so you can decide if GoHighLevel is worth it for you. So GoHighLevel does have a couple of different options for plans and pricing, and it really is pretty clear based on what type of business that you have. So they've got the starter plan, which is $97 per month, and it's perfect for small businesses or solopreneurs. You get access to unlimited contacts, everything that GoHighLevel offers, including automations. You get up to 3 sub accounts, so that's the key difference here. If you're more of an agency, but you're just starting out, you could start with the starter plan, but as you need more than 3 sub accounts, you're going to need to upgrade to the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. With this, you get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub accounts, which again is the main feature. You can also rebill phone and email and basic API access. And then lastly is the agency pro plan, which is $497 per month. With this, you get everything in the unlimited plan, but you also get SaaS mode, auto sub account creation, and then some more advanced API access features. So again, it's pretty clear which plan you need based on where you're at and what type of business you have. If you're selling products products or services and want a really easy way to confirm orders and send updates and just reduce customer confusion, this type of automation is a really important step. It's great for sellers who value consistency and want systems that just run in the background while you're busy growing the business. If you only process occasional orders and prefer handling confirmations manually, building an automation may feel unnecessary at first, but as volume increases, having this in place becomes more and more valuable. For anyone looking to build scalable e-commerce or digital product system, inside GoHighLevel, order confirmation automations are such a foundational piece. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to piece together post-purchase communication, especially when you're juggling sales, fulfillment, and support all in one. But having a clear order confirmation automation is just going to take so much pressure off of you. If you want to check out GoHighLevel for yourself and get access to that extended 30-day free trial, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build simple, effective e-commerce systems that actually support your growth. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.